We're gonna go ahead and do Come Share the Wine. I'm gonna turn around. You're gonna start with a Roomba box, starting with your left foot. Roomba box forward. Left together, left forward. Right together, back touch. Now left together, Roomba backs, back touch. Right together, right forward. You're gonna step to the side and hold and rock. Side, hold, rock. Side, hold, rock. Do it again. Side, hold, rock. Side, hold, rock. You're going to walk forward. You're going to walk, hold. Jazz box with a touch. You're going to go forward to the right. Walk, hold. Jazz box with a touch. You're going to go ahead and do a side together, side rock, recover. Side together, side rock, recover, step. Now with the weave to the right, you're going to do a quarter turn scuff. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, scuff. You're going to go ahead and walk, hold, then walk, quarter turn, and tap. Now let's go ahead and do this with a count, starting with your left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for watching.